How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to make your wrists bigger, best tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. First exercise we're going to do is wrist curls, so just like this. This is a great exercise to do. High repetition, so you guys gotta do lots of reps. That's 50, keep going. 60. 100 reps. Perfect, you guys. Quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do squeezes. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight. This really, really works the wrist, you guys, squeezes. Very, very effective. Highly recommend doing squeezes. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Perfect, quick little break. The next exercise we're gonna do is gonna be your wrist circles. So you're just gonna get your wrist and you're just gonna make circles like this with them. Perfect, quick little break. And then we're gonna do wrist curls. Perfect. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.